Welcome to this technical guide on the HP 15CS. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. A cracked screen is not only an eyesore but can also lead to further damage if left unaddressed. This issue often arises from drops or pressure on the screen, which might cause internal components to fail. If you don't repair it in time, you risk more extensive damage, which could lead to costly repairs. For this repair, you will need a small Phillips screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, a new LCD cover, and a replacement screen. Ensure you have everything ready before we begin. First, power off your HP 15CS and unplug it from any power source. Place it on a soft, flat surface to prevent scratches. Using the plastic opening tool, gently pry open the back cover. Be careful to work your way around the edges to avoid damaging the clips. Once the back cover is off, locate the broken screen. You will see a series of screws holding it in place. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws while keeping them in a safe place. Now, gently disconnect the cable attached to the screen. This can be a bit tricky, so take your time to avoid pulling too hard. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. With the screen disconnected, lift it out carefully. Take your new replacement screen and position it where the old one was. Reconnect the cable, ensuring it's firmly in place. Once connected, replace the screws you removed earlier, tightening them just enough to secure the screen without overdoing it. Now, before closing the back cover, it's a good idea to power the device back on and check that the new screen is functioning correctly. If everything looks good, power it off again. Carefully place the back cover back on, making sure all the clips are aligned and securely fastened. Press around the edges to ensure it's properly sealed. Finally, power on your HP 15CS and enjoy your new screen. To prevent this issue from occurring again, always use a protective case and avoid placing heavy objects on top of your laptop. Being cautious can save you from future headaches. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.